40 million Italians will be staying at home this August, spending an estimated $13 billion at local businesses. Do you plan on staying here in Trieste or Friuli Venezia Giulia during August?
Yes, we will stay here. Beach,
Yeah,
a lot of beach.
I mean, the fact that we're so close to so many different countries, we're going to travel around. I mean, Venice is just like an hour and a half away, so we're planning a trip to Venice. Yeah, but a lot of beach, a lot of food. I mean, just checking out all the stores. We just got here maybe about, 3 weeks
3
now?
weeks ago, yeah.
I'm actually going to go to Australia in like 2 weeks, so yeah.
Go to Greece.
Oh, very nice.
Yes, I'm planning to stay here in Trieste because I have to study.
Yes, I live here.
Okay. And what do you plan on doing in August?
Mainly work and study because I have an exam session in September. But that's what I'll do. So I work at a travel agency. I'm doing an internship, and from what I know, a lot of people are going to take day trips close to the Croatian islands and Slovenia. So that's what I think people will be doing this summer.
C'è il mare, c'è la montagna, ci sono tutte le possibilità per come se fossimo turisti.
I will stay at home this August and probably work.